Dr. Kiddo saves the day in the Dr. K parade. Band-Aid healer on the way, every boo-boo's a-okay. Dr. Ninito con subata kurakada.
Injured person is known as first aid. We should have first aid box at our home, and we have first aid box in our school also. In first aid box we have cotton, scissors, bandage, Dettol, tablet, etc.